The matter of Pentecostal pastors who were arrested by NEMA due to noise pollution has been raised by Honorable Charles Tebandeke.
8th of July 2022, Pastor Chizito Peter of Eternity Christian Embassy Church of Chiengera was arrested by the National Environment Management Authority Enforcement Team in disguise of noise pollution. Right, Honorable Speaker, Pastor Muhwanezimana Edison of Kansanga was equally arrested, and both were tried in utility courts and charged with offenses of noise pollution. It is my greatest prayer that NEMA enforcement team, under the directive of the minister in charge, balances the standards control of noise pollution together with freedom of worship enriched in Article 29.
The Land Attorney General of Uganda, Chiriwa Chiwanuka, during his submission, has praised NEMA for the good job done.
Shouting while praying, speaking at a volume higher than what is prescribed by the law set by this parliament is not one of them. I beg to submit.
This has triggered Honorable Pastor Mary Misa to show her dismay.
Attorney General procedure moving on well when he thanks NEMA, which has failed all the times to at least arrest discotheque owners who make a lot of noise.
At the end, the Deputy Speaker of Parliament, Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa, has given guidance
that the Minister for Environment should meet, because they have an organized platform of pastors and they engage on these matters. Yes.
Joseph Selwoza at Parliament.